What up, y'all? I'm back with another video. This was on Prizerebel, and I'm already at the Your Surveys tab. I just want to give you guys some helpful tips and reminders, things that kind of help you really build up your account faster. You see right now my account is at 152. All right, that's $1.52, and I'm about to cash out again very, very soon. But I just want to do this video showing you guys, some things. Now, the Your Surveys thing, 77 cents each. You can do that as many as surveys as they have available. But right below them are all these surveys here. And you see here 10 minutes, $2.39. And you scroll down, there are lots of them. Okay. I try all of these first before I try the 77-cent one. And the reason I do that is because simply they're high paying. You see 9 minutes, $1.52. I'm $1.51. It's just that simple. It shows you how much time it's really going to take you on average for the average person. It might take you a little less time if you actually, are a survey taker that's fast with it. If you're a survey taker that's a little longer with it, might take you, 10, 15 minutes, whatever. But generally, they keep it on, good timing. It'll usually take you 9 minutes when it's set, like it says for that one. All right. So I try all of these before I do the 77-cent one. And the reason I try those is because, like I said, they're higher paying. And they run out because people want to get the higher paying survey. So when you see those there, you got to go try to get them. All right. Also, but when I'm done with that, I go to the Samplicious tab up here and I try their surveys. These are like 90 cents each. I click on that. 90 cents each. They have some that are, I think, up to 50 minutes, and that's $1.10. Okay, but the thing is, it says $1.10. It says up to 50 minutes, but sometimes they throw the quick ones in there. Like you see here, 90 cents, 110. So that's the next thing I do in this. I start out Your Surveys, then I go to Samplicious. If I find out that I'm already getting disqualified for some, I try Peanut Labs. And the reason I try those is because they pay you for the ones you disqualify for. So to get my motivation back up, to get my, grind factor back up, I try Peanut Labs. And, at least see some money go into my account. That way I'm not just, on this site for, 30 minutes and I haven't qualified for anything, because you don't want to be in that predicament. So if you find out you're not qualifying for some, always go to Peanut Labs and get those disqualification points. Okay. Now, the surveys, they don't take that long, but they also don't pay very high. They're like, typically you'll find some in there every now and then are high paying, but typically they keep them around like 40 to 50 cents, somewhere, at that or even below that. All right. So that's the one thing I do after that. Gold surveys. I think these here, they pay 80 cents each. So I go over here and I try some. You see 80 cents. Just like Your Surveys, they have other ones that are higher paying, almost double. And you see here, these are lots of them. Now, in times like this, you got to go through and try these all before you go try the ones that's 80 cents. Because like I said, the 80 cents ones are unlimited, but these here is you take them one time. You can't just continue to do them, but they all different surveys. Like you can do $1.20, do the next $1.20, do the $1.50. All of those are available to you. So that's what I do on there. And I don't know if I mentioned to you guys in my previous videos, but again with the Your Surveys tab, I forgot to mention you have a rating score in Your Surveys. I think when you first start out, you're at 100, but the more surveys you complete and, the more surveys you qualify for and complete, it'll go up a point. But it continues to go up. I know people that have literally made $35 in one day just using Prizerebel, and they don't have any referrals because their rating score is so high. When your rating score is really high, they throw you lots of surveys. So, and they're fairly short, high paying surveys because they give those to the people they can really trust. They don't really want to give the short, high paying surveys to people that have a low score because they just feel like you're going to just speed through and get them false information. You might say you qualify for it, but they don't really get an accurate answer. Those are for the companies that really, really want, positive feedback. They're not into the people that are lying and speeding through surveys all the time. Now, that's just something to keep in mind. But like I said, every one that you qualify for in Your Survey and you complete, it goes up a point. I know this one guy, he has a 357 is his rating score. So that means he's completed a lot. I'm sure he's gotten disqualified from many of them, but it seems like now he's at a point where he's qualifying for more than he's disqualifying for. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Once you do more and more, you'll find that you're qualifying and you're completing more than you're getting disqualified for. So that's another thing to keep in mind. And once I do these four, I just grind out in the rest of these. I mean, they're fairly simple. They have lots of different survey tabs, because one thing that I'm trying to get you guys to do, myself also, is whenever site you're in, go through and try all of the offer tabs they have. I mean, that's where you're gonna really get the money, because if you're doing these sites where you're just clicking on ads or watching videos, because I know a lot of people like to do the videos, you want to let your videos run in the background, but at the same time, you want to try to survey, because that's where the money is really at. So you want to go through and try all these surveys tab. I mean, kind of make a goal for yourself to, at the very, very least, complete one survey in each tab. You know, at least do one survey. At least do one survey in your surveys, and Gold, and Samplicious, Peanut Labs, Opworld, Say So, Tap, Market Cube, Tuluna, Innovate, Precision, and just continue to grind out. And like I said, whenever you are getting disqualified for some, you kind of want to get your motivation factor back up, go back to Peanut Labs, because you're going to get the disqualification point. So that's just one thing I wanted to mention to y'all, just kind of some helpful tips for y'all when it comes to these surveys. Like I said, have your videos running in the background. That way you can still continue to have your account build while you're doing a survey. And, you know, the cash out here is at $5. They have lots of different rewards you can choose from. I'll show you those real quick. They have PayPal. They have Amazon. They have lots of different gift cards. You see here, $5 for a lot of these. And they send them to you the same day. You don't have to wait like a week or nothing like that. Just send them to you the same day. And it's just that simple, you know. So that's really all I wanted to talk about today on this video. Like I said, I've done one on Prizerebel before, but I just want to continue to keep you guys updated on some new things, new features, new tips that I find out, want to bring to you guys as well. You see here, I'm at $1.52. I'm a silver member. You start out at a bronze, then you go silver, then you go gold, platinum, and diamond. Let me just show you those really quick before I get out of here. If I click on the silver membership, it'll show me the different things that you have. And once you become a gold member, anything after that, you see that special bonus, whatever you made for the month, they give you a percentage of that, and they put it into your account. So that's just one thing to kind of keep in mind. And automatic processing, prize processing, basically means you're going to get your reward like within the next, 5 minutes after you request it. Because if you're not on automatic prizing, you have to basically wait like a couple hours, but it's not that bad to wait for that. You still get it the same day. So just keep those things in mind. This is a survey, a get paid to site that you can really grind out with a lot of different surveys. Prizerebel, like I said, the link is in the description. Sign up, get a bonus, and start grinding on it. All right, just that simple. You have to add it to your routine, because this is one of my favorite sites, and I need to start cashing out every day on it, because I see it has so many opportunities. Somehow I get a little sidetracked with other sites that I have, but Prizerebel, like I said, is one of my favorites, and I got to continue to grind on it. I can encourage you guys to do the same, and, just take off. I mean, you'll be surprised at how quickly your account builds when you're cashing out on these sites every single day. All right, so sign up today, start grinding, and every penny counts.